VISICAM supports several different types of machining operations, from 2.5 axis, 3 axis, 3+1, 3+2, 4 axis, and true 5 axis. Within 2.5 axis, Visi offers an automation by feature. This command is called Compass Technologies, using customer standard methods of design paired with the standard process of machining. A Compass system can be customized to automate and automatically tie the machine templates based on features found in the model. Basically, with the correct configuration, this could be your easy button for programming holes and pockets. Within 2-axis operations, the integrated nature of Visi allows for easy manufacturing of die plates. As mentioned before, Compass can help you with the 2.5 axis hole and pocket automation. And for more complex holes, Visi offers both conventional and high-speed cutting strategies, including the intuitive and simple solutions, which include 4 and 5-axis indexing. With comprehensive tool libraries, pocketing, milling and faces, milling operations, multi-level nesting pocketing routines, automatic residual stock, optimization toolpath movements, obstacle management, kinematic simulation, and an intelligent gouge-free checking toolpath on complex 3D parts. Dedicated high-speed milling techniques offer a smooth algorithm, creating a highly efficient NC toolpath. These toolpaths will reduce the amount of cycle time, improve productivity, and continuously produce a high-quality component.